Okay. Starting in 3, 2, 1. We think figure skating is not based on competitive stages only, but also every single person on this earth that have the incentive or interest of actually doing figure skating in itself. Therefore, this is the exact actor that we need to debate about, especially when we're talking about sports, which is why we are so proud to propose 3 points of setups then. Firstly, on the point of the status quo and why the regret is going to be justified in the very first place. A, we think figure skating is a sport, meaning the purpose of a sport is to try to imperfect a hobby and to try and gain amusement and entertainment for you yourself and also every single person that is doing this sport or like watching it in the very first place. And then secondly, we think it is quite an exclusive benefit to prioritize athleticism because every other sport in the very first place is already prioritizing athleticism. For instance, you got volleyball, soccer, and rugby. They already prioritize athleticity, meaning the only part that makes figure skating in the very first place quite exclusive towards every single other sport is the fact that they prioritize artistry, meaning the very first time you try to shift the focus of figure skating towards athleticism, it is simply going to destroy the values on which the very first place you already implement or maybe even like to try and cater about. Therefore, we are so proud to propose. And then secondly, on the point of like sports, you realize that everyone can do sports itself. Meaning, let's try to cater on the point of like the POV of normal people actually doing this sport, rather than just only the competitive, but we'll also be talking about that later on. A, on the point of normal people doing it based on artistry. Firstly, we think art itself is fluctuative, meaning everyone have their own ways of expressing themselves. Therefore, I think all parts of society have their own unique ways of trying to prioritize or like expressing themselves, meaning they already have the accessibility to do figure skating in the very first place, which is quite exclusive under outside of the house. And then secondly, the subjectivity is not going to ruin like the parameters or like the prerequisite of you trying to go towards international competitions, because we think like at the very first place, the moment you try to shift this figure skating towards athleticism, art itself, especially modern art, is already having like other competitions, because when you try to false alarm figure skating for not prioritizing athleticism because art is bad in figure skating, why don't you try to false alarm or like to try and attack every single person on this earth doing other kinds of art, not only in figure skating? This is why it is quite a big question under side opposition. Please answer it in DLO speech. And then secondly, we think in the very first place, athleticism is going to amplify the body standards and like every single standard that is happening in the status quo. The problem is the fact that in the status quo itself, it is already so progressive. We think it is going to be like you needing to be flexible, strong, empowering, meaning it is going to amplify all of these harms of like all of these modern standards or like the beauty standards existing in the status quo, meaning it is going to ruin the experience and also the sport itself towards every single person that is doing it, compared to like under outside the house when you try to be fluctuative and also like inclusive about the sport itself. And then secondly, we think because it is going to shift the focus of figure skating itself, we think it is going to be affected by every single person on this earth. Therefore, figure skating itself is going to be ruining their own value when you try to posit the way of like athleticism in the values of figure skating. And then secondly, what is going to be our stance? Our stance is that we regret this shift and would rather portray this sport as art because A, it is the main essence beforehand, or like the way it started is to try and prioritize the art itself, not trying to prioritize the athleticism that the people do. And then secondly, the benefit from the sport itself is already catering the benefit you get from athleticism, meaning this point is not going to like gain the entertainment from every single person, because and under your side what will happen is that other people are going to do like quadruple flips or maybe even like penta 5 flips in the very first place, and the way they do this is that to try and force themselves to do it, and the moment you try to force yourself to do it, you're going to ruin every single part of your other qualifications or like your rotations or your routine, meaning it is quite an exclusive harm under side opposition. And then lastly, we think it is going to decrease and like cater the standards itself under outside the house. I will explain later on in my arguments. But what is going to be the point that needs to be opted out of this debate? A, we think it is going to be like the harsh standards, especially in competitive and also like normal usage of like figure skating itself. A, we think it doesn't only happen under outside of the house when you realize that art art is still going to need standard at the very first place. We think like competitive, especially towards the competitive regions. We think like competitive means you already have the choice, and shifting focus does not immediately erase like, oh yeah, your athleticism is going to be gone when figure skating itself is going to be shifting their focus towards artistry in the very first place. Therefore, we think it is not their fiat, it is not opposition fiat to prove to you like, yeah, these people are not going to have the incentive or maybe the capability to do these things in the very first place. And then secondly, we think modern artistry is already so progressive, it does not mandate you to have a great skin, to have a great body. Meaning, comparatively, we already have the explanation and also the analysis on why under our side, these standards are not going to be amplified. And then secondly, on the way of manifestation that these artistry is the way to inclusify the sport itself, therefore it is quite exclusive. Then 2 points of arguments then. Firstly, on the point of artistry also caters the benefit you get from sport. Premise, A, we think essence of sport is to try and make yourself healthy. Meaning, when you try to prioritize art, it does not necessarily mean you're going to forget about sports and like prioritizing fitness in itself, because yeah, we already posited to you from the start that figure skating is already a sport in the very first place. Meaning, artistry still needs hard work because you still have to imperfect what you did beforehand, rather than you just trying to force yourself to do everything to like get a world record by like doing 5 flips at a time. Therefore, it just proves to you why art still needs the effort that you quote unquote are going to posit in the biggest harm under outside of the house. Meaning, what does this prove to you? A, we think that healthiness or fitness is still available under outside of the house, and you still need, for instance, like you still need like to keep balance on the harsh ice grounds, and these conditions in the very first place is already enough to posit to you that the needs of being healthy is already inexclusive under side opposition, and you don't immediately change the like figure skating is suddenly better drawn. It is still going to be a sport. It is still going to be subjecting you as the object of like the sport itself. Meaning, it is also going to be based on who you are and what you do in the very first place. It is not going to immediately ruin the figure skating. And then secondly, on the point of like false expectations and also like the double standards that is happening under side opposition. Premise, when you take a look at the case of like Alexandra Trusova, Sasha maximizing her power to do a quad rotation, which was unusual for the women's category. Sure, maybe she got like a world record because she was the first person to do it in a competitive stage, but the trade-off is that her usual rotates are so bad because she put all of her effort in the quads itself because of the standards of her coach telling her, oh yeah, if you do a quad flip, you're going to win this world record and also you're going to win this world championship. This point is going to become a double standard towards every single person on the side opposition, because they try to posit to you that athleticism is going to be far more important in a sport that in the very first place is already trying to posit to you like the beautifyingness or the magnificence of like you trying to jump in the air and like using ice skates, and this is already exclusive under side opposition. Please try to prove to us why it is going to happen under our side. And then lastly, we think artistry does not push you to harm yourself in the process of trying to perfect the things you did wrong, rather than just try to do the things that you are trying to express proud to propose.